Have you ever looked at an animal and thought, there's no way that's real? 2. It's like nature had a momentary glitch, a little copy-paste error from a fantasy novel. Well, get ready, because today we're diving into 5 animals that absolutely feel like a glitch in reality. First up, let's talk about the barrel-eye fish. Imagine a fish, but its head is completely transparent. I'm not kidding. Jet. You can literally see its brain and its internal tube-shaped eyes. These eyes can rotate, looking straight up through its see-through skull to spot prey, and then swivel forward when it's time to eat. It lives in the deep, dark parts of the ocean. Which is probably for the best, because if you saw this swimming towards you at the beach, you probably think an alien submarine was investigating you. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, a living, swimming observatory. How does something like this even evolve? It's a perfect example of nature's weird and wonderful solutions to life in extreme environments. Next on our list of biological bewilderment is the shbill. This bird looks like a modern-day dinosaur. And frankly, it has the attitude of one too. It's a huge, grey bird with a massive, clog-shaped bill that gives it its name. But it's the stare that gets you. The shoebill has this intense prehistoric glare that seems to pierce right through your soul. They can stand completely motionless for hours, like a statue, waiting for a fish to swim by. Then, with lightning speed, they lunge forward in a motion called a collapse, engulfing their prey hole. They're also known to make a bizarre machine gun-like sound by clattering their bills. If you ever came face to face with one in the wild, you'd be forgiven for thinking you'd time-traveled back to the Cretaceous period. It's a living fossil that decided not to get the memo about extinction. Nah. Let us shrink things down a bit, but crank up the power level to over 9,000. Meet the mantis shrimp. This little creature isn't actually a shrimp, but it is a certified powerhouse. Don't let its vibrant rainbow colors fool you. This thing is one of the most formidable predators in the ocean. It has 2 club-like appendages that it can whip out at the speed of a .22 caliber bullet. This punch is so fast, it literally boils the water around it, creating a shockwave that can stun or kill prey, even if the initial punch misses. That's right, it punches so hard it creates light and heat. On top of that, their eyes are some of the most complex in the animal kingdom, with 12 to 16 types of photoreceptor cells compared to our humble 3. They can see a spectrum of light we can't even imagine. A super-powered, rainbow-colored, hyper-seeing ocean boxer. Reality, are you even trying anymore? From super-powered to super-transparent, let's talk about the glass frog, found in the rainforests of Central and South America. This little amphibian takes camouflage to a whole new level. While its back is a leafy green, its underside is completely transparent. You can see its entire internal anatomy, its beating heart, its digestive system, its bones, everything. It's like a living biology lesson hopping from leaf to leaf. Scientists believe this incredible transparency helps it blend in with its surroundings, making it harder for predators to spot. Where it sleeps, on a leaf, the light passes right through it, breaking up its silhouette. You can't help but wonder what it feels like to have your heart on display for the world to see. Finally, we arrive at the one that truly breaks the rules of life and death, the immortal jellyfish or Turritopsis. Dorney. This tiny jellyfish has a biological superpower that sounds like pure fiction. When it gets old, injured, or faces stressful conditions, it can revert back to its earliest stage of life, a polyp colony, and start its life cycle all over again. It's like a senior citizen deciding to become a baby again instead of dying. This process can be repeated over and over, making it, under the right conditions, biologically immortal. It doesn't die of old age. Let that sink in. An animal that has found the fountain of youth. While they can still be eaten by predators or die from disease. The fact that they can just hit the reset button on aging is mind-blowing. It completely redefines our understanding of life and mortality. So there you have it. 5 creatures that seem to have been designed by a committee of mad scientists and fantasy authors. From transparent heads and dinosaur stares to super punchies and biological immortality, our planet is home to some truly unbelievable animals. It just goes to show that reality is often far stranger and more fascinating than anything we could ever make up. But believe it or not, we've only scratched the surface. Thanks so much for watching. And if you thought the immortal jellyfish was wild, wait until you hear what's coming next. In part 2, we're talking about animals that can literally come back from the dead after being frozen solid. You won't want to miss it. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. See you next time.